Greetings to all. We are presenting our research paper on bibliometric analysis of economics of happiness in Scopus database. The paper is co-authored by M. Lakshmi and Dr. Vinith K. Government College, Tripunithura. Happiness economics or economics of happiness is a qualitative and quantitative study of happiness and quality of life, including positive and negative effects, well being, life satisfaction, and related concepts, typically tying economics more closely than usual with other social sciences such as sociology and psychology, as well as physical health. It often views subjective happiness related indicators as well as more objective quality of life indices as something to be maximized rather than money, income, or profit. Since the late 20th century, the discipline has expanded significantly thanks to the development of tools, surveys, and indices for measuring happiness and related concepts as well as quality of life. Statement of the problem. Bibliometric analysis is a comparative evaluation of written scientific articles, books, and such measures which include citations which can provide more significant information regarding the development in the field. The present study attempts to present a concise report of the bibliometric analysis results on articles in the area of economics of happiness as a keyword in Scopus database. Being a relevant study getting attraction recently, there are 862 documents traceable from Scopus database during the period of 1936 to 2021. It is only in an evolving stage that this particular keyword is getting more and more attraction. The most prominent authors and sources are identified using the built-in tools of Scopus database. We have also surveyed into the top 25 articles in Google Scholar using Publish or Perish app. And one could see that the contribution by L. Bruni, P. L. Porta are ranked 1, Economics and Happiness, Framing the Analysis in 2005. R. A. Isterian, The Economics of Happiness in 2004 follows. Economics of Happiness by B. S. Frey and A. Stutzer in 2018 from Springer is also one of the prominent references. So we could find these top articles with proper citations and Google Scholar ranks. 25 articles are listed in the paper. Considering the Scopus documents on an yearly basis, as you can see, the growth rate is phenomenal after 2000. And recently it sees its peaks, and 2021 also is having sufficient contribution which is expected to increase in the coming months. Documents per year per source is analyzed, and one could easily see that the Journal of Happiness Studies, Social Indicators Research, Ecological Economics, Review of Social Economy, and Journal of Socioeconomics are the most prominent sources in this particular topic. Considering the documents by author NGYK, Bruni L, Frey B.S., Graham C., Anand P., Stutzer A., Oswald A.J., Freire Carbonell A., Britters P., Isterian R.A. are the top 10 authors in this particular area, and in which, as you can see, the maximum contribution has been from NGYK with 12 articles. The document by affiliation is showing that London School of Economics and Political Science is the most prominent institution having some research output in this area. Of course, top 10 institutions are from different countries. United States overtakes any other country in this field of research also. UK stands second, Australia in the third position. Germany, Italy, and China, Netherlands, etc. follows, and we could see that India is not featuring in the top 10 countries in research production in this particular area. Considering the type of documents available in Scopus, we could see that 64% of the documents are research articles, followed by 9% of book chapter, and another 9% of reviews, and another 8% of books. The discoveries of happiness have been considered as a challenge to economic theory and practice. More research outputs are expected, covering the different dimensions of human life, existence, and survival in relation to qualitative and quantitative measures of happiness along with its associations. Thank you very much.